Michael here at RVs of America, Black Series Premier Dealer here in Utah. And today I am doing an upgrade, getting us more hot water. Longer, faster. So let me just show you first what you normally have here. It is a Dometic. Most trailers have this type of water heater. It's very common. Either you have a 6-gallon, 10-gallon. And so this one's a 6-gallon that you have. It runs off of propane or electricity. Generally it takes, you start getting warm water around 20 minutes or so, and then it's hot and up to temperature around 30 or so, which is great. It gets you hot water. You get your big old tank of it. So you got hot water for doing dishes or taking showers. But you do have to keep in mind, you know, if you're more than one person's probably going to shower, then you want to conserve a little bit better because you want them to have hot water too, or they're going to have to wait for it to get hot again. So that's maybe the downside part on these Tankless or on these tank water heaters. So what we are going to do is put a tankless water heater in there, and we'll show you how that operates, some of the pros and cons on that too. But I would like to show you kind of how this operates on the inside, so we're going to go inside. Okay, we're inside the Black Series trailer right now, and these are your controls for your water heater. It's got a nice little label here, little white box, and you can see there's a little flame, and that's for propane. And then you have a little lightning bolt, and that is for electricity. And so you just flip these on, and then it will just automatically start warming up as long as you got water in there. Like I said, you know, it can take a little bit to get warm. It's definitely not extremely fast by any means, but it will get there, and it works extremely well. I don't think there's anything bad about these water heaters, honestly. They work. They do their job. It's just like the one that you're in your house, unless you went for a tankless. But there it is there. So let's go over and see how the tankless water heater looks now that it's installed. I have it installed on another one, and let's check that out. All right, I know it's white, should be black, but that's the one our customer got. So that's okay. There's nothing wrong with white. It actually will generally, you know, the paint's gonna last a little longer, it's gonna be a little better, and it doesn't attract as much heat. So that's a good thing about white, and it also matches the city water connection. So we're good. Anyway, so this has replaced our Dometic 6-gallon water heater, and now we have a tankless water heater. So you usually don't need to access this for just about it. You don't have to do that. We're normally on the tank water heater. You do, after every trip, want to drain out that water heater, because if you don't drain out that water heater, it gets really stinky and smells like sulfur if it sits in there too long. With the tankless, since there's no tank, you don't have to worry about that draining every time. So that is convenient. And then you come in here, you got your old setup. It's in there. You got the exhaust, you got the on, there's a fuse, little drain over there for excess heat and water. So pretty simple. Really, there's not much to do there. So we'll go ahead and close that back up. And now let's go inside and turn it on, see the controls, and see how quickly we get hot water. All right, here we are. And this, I failed to mention, this is the Girard tankless water heater. There are multiple other ones, Truman, and I think there's some other ones as well. So we're happy to install any of the tankless water heaters, which they have pretty much the same capability. Some of them have a couple more features than others. So this one's pretty simple here. So we have on and off button here. All right, you turn it on there. I don't know how easy to see on the camera, but we can set it to Celsius or do Fahrenheit, and then I can set what temperature I want that water to come out. So I don't know, let's do 120 degrees. So I got that set, so that's ready to go. So now I just have to have my water pump on, which it's on, and then we turn on the hot water line. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and do that over here. So if you see on the screen here, it says we got activation, flame is on, and there's my temperature going up. I'm just gonna set it to max. And my water, it's getting warm. And it's getting hot. And that'd be a perfect shower right there. Actually, it's getting a little too hot. So boom, it's practically instant. A lot of people say instant hot water. It is not called instant hot water, it's the tankless water heater, but it does create really fast hot water, which is a very nice feature. And then it's constant. So as long as I'm pumping water through my tankless water heater, I have hot water until I run out of water. So I could, in here you can pump 60 gallons basically through your shower and just shower and shower and shower. So, which is very nice feature, because that way, that's the biggest part, is for showering. You know, you have multiple people camping, multiple people can shower, or just washing dishes, things like that. You don't have to worry about running out of hot water. Then you're only worrying about if you run out of water in general. So it's very nice feature, extremely nice. Now, again, this is a customer brought theirs in. So super fun to get that done for him. Hopefully we will have a little interview with him, a kind of a review after, and see how he likes that heater. So that way you can see firsthand personal experience of somebody using this new water heater in their Black Series trailer. So we will bring that to you. All right, we're sitting here with
Steve Arnold.
Yeah, in his trailer right now, and we just installed your tankless water heater about 5 days ago. Yes. So what do you like and don't like about the tankless water heaters with your experience so far?
So far, what I like is when I open all the windows in my bedroom, I don't hear the jet sound that comes on every now and then. I also like the fact that when I go to turn on the shower, I actually have that gadget up here for seeing it in action, and when it's getting close to temperature, so I know I can hop right in. It gets the heat up to it faster, and it feels like a more solid, stronger type of heat, rather than before it just felt like it was hottish, and then I felt like there was a variance in temperature, whereas this is set. Plus the fact you can control the volume rate, yeah, and the temperature, and you have it all right up here, so it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet setup. Yeah. So then it's nice because you can set the temperature, so exactly. So the first time I think we had it a little too hot,
yeah, a little hot, yeah.
And that's what an advantage of that is, that you have complete control over it. Where like with the regular water heater, it doesn't have those features to be able to go, I want it to be 105 degrees.
Yeah,
or
you can
whatever.
dial it in. Yeah, it's very cool.
Which that's a nice feature.
Yeah.
So, are you happy you did it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and plus the fact, I guess too, you are saving a little bit on propane too, right? So.
Yeah, because it's more when you use it when you need it, versus leaving your leaving your tank water heater on.
Yeah.
Then it's running more often because you want that availability when you want it.
Yeah, and plus with that system doing that, I was always being very conservative on the water. Then whenever I remember to, I would then turn it up a bit prior to having a shower. Just so yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Good.
It's cool.
Well, we're glad. It's good.
Because there would be no video, would there?
Yeah, right. Yeah, we wouldn't be doing this if we didn't like it. No.
All right, awesome.
Tear it out.
Yeah.
So, good. Well, there you have it. So, there's the tankless water heater upgrade and somebody actually using it, so it's not just us talking about it, but we have customers talking about it. So, it's a great upgrade. It gives you a lot more control with your temperatures and your water flow and that endless hot water. So if you ever are camping somewhere like at a campground, you could hook up to hookups.
Yeah.
You just shower all day long.
Yeah, sweet. I never thought about that.
Yeah. So, and then if you're out somewhere where you can drain, freely your gray tank, then you can just keep on cycling. So it's kind of a nice feature, in that capability. So, thank you for watching. This is, again, Michael, RVs of America, and we're happy to do any upgrade you can dream of. We'll make it happen. We'll see you out on the trails.